Welcome to my subscribers and everybody else that's joining in now. I'm here, Lakisha Jones, on Do It Yourself Project. And this is I'm showing you now is one of my storage boxes that I created. I got it from Walmart. And these are all my bling, my top drawer, bling, my second drawer, bling, as you can see. Welcome to all of my subscribers. Hi, good morning to y'all. I hope you love this video that I'm making, and I'm showing you one of my other crafting projects that I made. And I made her, she's a storage container that keeps all my storage stuff in, crafting in. And as you can see, I bling her out from top to bottom. She has bling going around it, and the paper behind it is a 9 by 10 cardboard glitter on all three. And then as you can see that I put gold bling that came from Walmart, and the blue bling that you see that came from Amazon. The silver came from Amazon too as well. The red came from Amazon, and the little knob that you see, I made that by hand. The writing, I made that with some glitter paint, and I painted her. She goes all the way around. As you can see, she's all the way around with bling on her from top to bottom. And they are a pull-out drawers, as you can see that from top to bottom. And in the background, as you can see, them are my diva canvases. As you can see at the top, there go my lovely summer diva, as you see that's over her head. So this is my storage crafting box, and it has all my paint in it. It's my glitter box. And the top one, it's all my bling. And the last one was all my paint that I had got. So please like, comment, subscribe if you already subscribed to my channel. And I love it when y'all join in and we may create a beautiful, beautiful storage box together. Subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And I will keep uploading more of my crafting projects. Stay tuned. God bless.